I searched through the earth for something that could satisfy, a peace for the hurt I had buried deep inside. Knees on the floor, I finally found everything I needed. You lifted my soul and opened up my eyes. And I never knew anything was forever till I found you, till I found you. I never dreamed anything could be better till I found you, till I found you. You're rewriting my story, and I'm brand new like a morning glow. I never knew anything lasts forever till I found you, till I found you, till I found you. Count all the days I'm chasing after what won't last. I'm done with building these castles that crumble like sand.